This right here is the old lip. End up getting the new ones. Got all 3 parts. So I'm just gonna replace all 3 parts and get it over with. We'll go ahead and pop the front bumper off. And then after that, pop the bumper off, take the lip off, and then replace them. So you took off the 3 bolts that went in the fender liner over here in the wheel well. 3 bolts right here. I took off my license plate, which I'm gonna have to take this off. Same thing as the 3 bolts in this side. Right now, all I got left, 2 bolts right here, 2 bolts over there, and then all the bolts that are under here. All the bolts under here. So, pop this up. And here, pop this up. We're gonna take all those off. We're gonna take all these off right here. You have all the bolts that go underneath here, your 8 mils and your torque bits. So I'm gonna pop these off right now and get to it. Remove all that. You get to this point right here, and you go ahead and pop everything off. This is real dirty. Wish I took this to the car wash and washed off under here, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace the front bumper, the front lip, and then show you guys an update. What I did on these, I just cut the tab off. I ain't had time to fight with it to get it out. It's not too bad, but it wasn't in the best condition, and I didn't want to deal with it, so I just cut it off. Y'all could fight it out if y'all want. The other ones came out quite easy. The driver's side on this one wasn't too bad. Passenger side, however, was all screwed up. So just ended up getting a new one. Ended up getting that replaced. Came out pretty good. Back on the car. So this is after. That should look way cleaner than it did before. That front lip looked way better. It's a little bit dirty because I drove it, but I gotta wash it again. I'll wash it and clean it up. But yeah, this is it. I do have springs. I don't want to put them on there though. This sits kind of perfect. Bro, I swear to God, I thought this was an Audi, bro.
See, I got your rate. I got your rate, Drake. Gary, I got your rate. I got your rate, Drake.
All right, Devon.
When I first started, they called me behind my back.
Barbie?
I don't know. Probably because I was blonde. That's a Korean car. There's a weird looking box that we saw. You could have brought it.
Fuck no. Smash that motherfucker. First thing you got it.
Peaches.
That's what I want. I want my 240.